Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reserve a room for yourself in the Accor All app. But firstly I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 followers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app, then search for a hotel. If you find something what you like, tap on it, then tap see the rooms. And here are the rooms what you can reserve, and you can see the rates. For example, here are some free cancellation rooms, and the first one is non-refundable. So we like this. For example, bed and breakfast, tap on book. And here you have to see if your details are okay. You have to read it attent. Then you have to accept the conditions. After it, you have to tap on book. And after you tapped on book, you got a room for yourself. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.